Hello.
Hello. Hi. So today it's 31st of March. It's exactly a week since we have been in New Zealand. So we have previously purchased a car actually on our first day, but there were some parts that needed to be fixed. So seems like they have managed to fix the issues that we have pointed out, and so now we are on our final test drive. If all is good, then we have our car now, like today.
Yeah, so the car so far is okay, except for the fact that it's a bit dirty, and we are probably gonna send it for car detailing so that we can at least clean up the interior, get some stains off the leather and make it look newer. And yeah, so we'll see what else happens with the car. Having Burger King for lunch. And their Burger King seems to have a basketball court at every Burger King outlet.
在家无聊的，我弄点喝的，有空可以交付朋友。
好喝，
明天再来。
Hi everyone. So today is 1st April. This is our new car, and we are heading over to Ormiston Town Centre for lunch.
Yep, and then after that we are gonna head to Hunua Falls for a short hike and to look at the waterfall. Let's go. Oh, it's just there. Yeah.
We checked out Hunua Falls, and it's such a nice place. Super easy to get to. It's about an hour's drive from Auckland, and from the car park, it's literally just a 2 minutes walk to the waterfall.
We were honestly shocked to find out it was that close. We thought we would have to hike a bit, but nope, it's right there. There is a trail that loops around the area, but we decided to skip it.
If you're around Auckland and looking for a short and easy trip out of the city, we definitely recommend stopping by. It's a great little escape in the nature, and honestly, the view is totally worth it. Hi, good morning everyone. So today is 3rd of April. Yesterday we actually went to the Sea Aquarium, and this is how it looks like. So we paid about 26 SGD for the entry fee. I would say that it's actually quite a small aquarium. It took us just under an hour to clear the entire space, but overall it's still a very beautiful attraction to visit, I would say, because everything is like quite nicely placed, the layout of the place, and you can actually, you know, really view the fishes and sea animals at your own pace. There's not a lot of tourists around as well. Yeah.
And today it's raining outside, so we wanted to go to Piha Beach, but because it's raining, so we'll have to move that to another day. Then instead we are gonna go to Auckland Museum. And we got a tip from a friend that said that if you are a resident in Auckland you can enter for free. You just have to prove your resident address.
So
Let's go.
see how it goes.
Hi! Today is the 4th of April and it's almost 12 p.m. now. We are heading out to Muriwai beach today. There is a Surfer's Rock, which is an iconic tourist attraction. And before that, we'll head to Domino's to grab our lunch and we'll head there straight away.
On our way back, we came across this ice cream shop called Juicy and Zack. So this is definitely the best ice cream we have ever had because it's made out of real fruits. So for Ryan, he actually had the passion fruit sorbet and I had the strawberry real fruit ice cream. So this is definitely like a 10/10 must try if you're on the way back to Auckland from Muriwai Beach. Hi everyone! So today is 6 April, we are on the way to Piha Beach.
Yeah, and this is our last weekend in Auckland. Then after this, we will be heading up north to visit the rest of the North Island.
Oh, just an update. So we actually have received a job offer in Lake Taupo area through a friend's recommendation. So we will be heading over to Taupo next week as well.